Ever wondered how to reach your customers at every stage of their journey? By combining Performance Max and search campaigns, businesses can capture high-intent users and retarget them across Google's vast network, ensuring consistent brand recognition. Consider an HVAC company in Los Angeles. They run search ads for AC repair near me and use Performance Max to retarget on YouTube and Gmail. This strategy keeps them top of mind until the customer is ready to book a service.
Your landing page is the gateway to conversions. Ensure it loads quickly and is mobile-friendly. Align its content with your ad messaging for consistency and reduce form fields to minimize friction and boost lead generation.
Integrate GA4 audience data and automated bidding strategies for better results. Refine your bidding strategy, test ad creatives, and analyze real-time data to optimize campaign performance. By doing so, you'll maximize ROI and stay ahead in the advertising game.